The best way to get things done is simply begin. I found this quote really interesting. So let's start doing things and make success happen. Hi, welcome to my channel, The Net Effect. I know how difficult it is for you to go through different sites and refer different books, especially when you have time constraints. Take this channel as a one-stop destination for all you need to know about mass communication and journalism. Those who are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start our session. In today's class, our topic is one of the important theorists of development communication, Daniel Lerner. Even in the 2020 question paper, one question was about Lerner. So from this itself, you might have understood how prominent Lerner is. So let's start our session. In this class, I included most important points to remember about Daniel Lerner. Daniel Lerner was an American scholar and writer. He is known for his studies on modernization theory, which was dominating after World War II. Daniel Lerner's famous book, The Passing of Traditional Society, Modernizing the Middle East, published in 1958, is the foundational text for mass media and modernization theory. The book is based on a research study conducted in Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Turkey, and Lebanon. The study gave the first comprehensive idea on the role of mass communication in modernizing post-colonial countries. He categorized people and nation into three: traditional, transitional, and modern. According to him, increasing urbanization led to the growth of mass media and literacy. It also resulted in greater public participation in politics and economic activities. For Lerner, four indices of development are industrialization, literacy, media exposure, and political participation. For Lerner, the ability to buy things and vote were the indicators of a modern nation. Lerner believed in the direct power of media. According to him, mass communication can help traditional societies to become modern. It was mass media that provide information about Western developed countries to developing countries. Daniel Lerner termed mass media as mobility multiplier. It's a very important topic. He called mass media as mobility multiplier because the images of developed societies given by the media create an urge among the underdeveloped countries to become developed. During that time, especially after World War II, radio was the widely popular mass media. During that time, communication flow was in one way, that is, from top to down, from the authorities to the audience. Audience were assigned passive role. They accept the social change brought by the authorities. They are passive. There was zero feedback from the receivers. And according to him, individuals are the cause of underdevelopment, and they are also the starting point to bring social change. So any nation could be modern. It is up to the individuals residing in that nation. Another important contribution by Lerner in the field of development communication is empathy. It is a key psychosocial factor. It is the capacity to distance oneself imaginatively from one's immediate circumstances and take interest in matters that do not bear directly to everyday life. It enables a person to put himself in another person's situation, to identify himself with a role, time, or place different from his own. Actually, it is living in an imaginary world. It is the most important contribution by Lerner. Now let's discuss a question asked in 2020 September examination. The question is, in Daniel Lerner's model of social development, what two functions does mass media perform that are conducive to modernization? Hope you understand the question. Let's check the options given below. The first one is, mass media spreads literacy and socialization. The second one is, mass media aids the formation of markets and cause societal change. The third one is, mass media advocates and supports modernization. And the last one is, mass media disrupts and distorts traditional ideas in society. So if you understand what we have already discussed, it's easy for you to answer it because it's a really simple question from this session. Hope you got the answer, and the answer is option number 3, mass media advocates and supports modernization. Next, we are going to discuss a previous year question paper. It is a match the following type of question. We have concepts of development communication in one column and authors and theorists in second column. In the concept of development communication, we have art and science, magic multiplier, element of management, and last we have empathy. In the authors column, Wilbur Schramm is there, Nora C. Cabral, Daniel Lerner, and F. Rosario Braid. So let's match this. And I think most of you might have understood the answer because a familiar term is here. In the first column, the D part is empathy. And we know empathy is the major contribution by Daniel Lerner. So you can match empathy with the Daniel Lerner. And I'm sure most of you might have got stuck with the term magic multiplier. Magic multiplier is not what Daniel Lerner called mass media. Daniel Lerner called mass media as mobility multiplier. So it's actually a totally confusing term, but be sure with it, magic multiplier goes to Wilbur Schramm. And if they have given mobility multiplier, it is Daniel Lerner. Okay, so empathy is Daniel Lerner, magic multiplier, you can match it with Wilbur Schramm. And we have arts and science. Actually, arts and sciences, who called development communication an art and science? It was Nora C. Cabral. She is known as the mother of development communication. And the last, we have element of management, that is by F. Rosario Braid. So, I think you understood all the concepts that we have discussed. And if you have any doubts, please comment. I'll give you the clarifications on it in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another important topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.